Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial lesson on EXModel Pro. So under some cases you guys want to make a chamfer on the CAD information edge. So let me show you how to do this. So first of all, we need to select this function here. You can see on inside the part design menu, in the function one click, and we just need to select the edge of the data. And then we can using so normally under the fleet menu we just drag. You can see this is a curve, and we can set the number here like 5. But if we need to switch to the chamfer selection, you can see this is another display information now. So it will suit under some occasions if we got a specific shape of the mechanical part. So this is the way of how to do it. Okay, thank you.